Hello and welcome back to Dubai Desert Driving Etiquettes and Techniques. This is your host Raimdad, and today I'm taking you for the first night drive of this season. So stay tuned. So just started, and there are already cars playing on the pink rocks. But yeah, since we are here, let's see where our mood takes us. This was the easy part.
Yes, this is it.
Gonna night time, so yeah, there's gonna be limited sight what you will be able to see.
I wonder what would it show when it is in the dark mode, or what do you call it? Night vision, yes.
Night vision, yeah.
It's greenish, right?
Samsung has been working on the nightography, but mostly they have, for that it's kind of, photography is best suited because it's still pictures, right? But when it comes to avoid. Try not to follow me. Don't follow me.
Go again, please.
Don't follow me into those bushes. Just go straight up. Oh yeah, come behind me this side. Don't go there.
Yeah, you can overtake me here. To my left side.
Wow. All of a sudden, car keeps going down, right? They're already having competitions. Race on top. Race to the top. I've come for a night drive after what? Ages.
That's right.
This is my first night drive in about 3 years. Oh, there's people. I don't want to harass them. The people actually picnicking up there. Yeah, and there's competition here also. So Taj Bhai, sitting on top of the world,
Oh, yes.
sitting on top of Big Red,
Feels
and
great.
what a quick drive, huh? It
Not only a
was,
quick drive, it was an amazing, fast, all-inclusive drive.
yeah, we did everything, right? We didn't miss out on anything. We did some high to medium dunes, playing around, just having awesome fun, and just end of the day, reach the top and just
Chill.
take in all the view. Look at this view
Amazing.
in the night. Although you can't see much,
On this shadi where I'm
but
going right
part
now,
of it is,
don't hit it up. circle back just to gain speed.
And nice, the moonlight is there. The moon, we saw the moon coming
the one that
up.
I'm gonna hit right now will be
It's a bit darkish, orangish.
yourself a good momentum.
And it's gone up
on the top.
and it's gained back its color. But
Stay on the
yeah,
left once you
kind
get
of.
up.
So the weather is clear. There are no clouds right now.
No, there are no clouds.
And the best thing to do right now would
Nice,
be
very
just to, relax, chill out
A
for the
bonfire would
next.
have been very nice.
Nowadays you have to be very careful with the bonfire. You cannot put it on the ground.
Ah,
You have to have a tray for it.
okay.
And everybody's made it to the top.
Wow.
So, एक से भले दो, दो से भले तीन, तीन से भले चार.
I'm lost.
One better than one is two, better than two is three, better than
okay.
three is four. So, Hussein,
Yep,
wonderful,
absolutely.
brilliant weather,
Yes.
brilliant time picked. We
Yes.
finished on time. Had a chat on top of Big Red.
Twice.
How did you enjoy it? No, once near Pink Rocks, then
Yeah.
near Big Red.
Yes.
How did you enjoy it?
It was an absolutely amazing drive today. Very happy with it. Better than I anticipated. Always it's better than I anticipated, to be honest. Had a good drive, smooth ride. Got to bash around a little bit. Kept it respectable. But yeah, absolutely a wonderful drive for today. And cannot wait to repeat it again. Of course, as I always say, you learn something new every time. And today I learned how to finesse in the dark. So, yeah. Amazing drive.
Shadi, what do you have to say? How did you enjoy it?
How did I enjoy it?
Terrible drive.
As usual, it's a wonderful drive experience also. You cannot expect what you can learn before you start the drive. So we are always learning, especially me. I'm learning too much from you guys. We need to repeat the night drives. It's really wonderful. And thanks for the shy. This time it's cold, so it warm us up. And really, night drive is something. It's a good experience, especially with a small convoy we had today. But we did a lot of things, and every time there is a different. It's like pleasure with experience and joyful. We are enjoying. We are not only driving. So thanks a lot, guys, for organizing this trip, and looking forward for the next one.
Yeah, definitely. Now more night drives will come up because with the days getting hotter, we will go into the nights, at least for the summer. So
will be hours
drives
in
should
summer.
not stop. Drives will not stop. Taj bhai, your experience as a passenger.
I wouldn't talk about enjoyment because this has been a part of my journey for the last 20 years. If I would say that in 20 years I have been driving off-roading in these sandboxes, night drives were the major part of it. Day drives are basically events or like planned drives, but we used to have night drives as casuals. Anytime anybody is free, we used to group up and just head towards the desert. Night drives basically are a same adventure that you do in the day, but a different way of driving, a different atmosphere, different terrain altogether, because the night drive doesn't change the ground, it changes the way you look at it. So yes, it's a lot of experience that you get overhead, a lot of control that you learn when you're driving in the night, because you're constrained, you're handicapped because of lighting, the most important thing, and you have to be very careful. So we have done today a different kind of a drive in Desert Lions since we have started, and it'll keep going. So please join us, subscribe and like the channel, and we are looking forward to much more exciting drives. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So actually I learned how to lead drives by driving in the night. Because 100 meters, 50 meters, 100 meters, all you see. And this is what my guru Sadbhai told me, that you see 50 meters, approach the 50 meters. In the daytime, you're looking where to, those 400, 500 meters, how you're going to cross.
Correct.
You just need to get across that 50 meters, 100 meters, then look for the next 50, 100 meters, how you're going to do it. But overall, for me, I got back after 3.5 years. So for me, it was like kind of a revision, like, getting back. I had some moments, but we were all good. Nothing untowards happened. So I'm happy. And because we are a close-knit group, it was absolutely a pleasure for me.
Yeah, today was an
So-
absolute joy. I would say the highlight of today is absolute joy. That's how I simply can put it together.
And I love, because I love driving with you guys, because you guys have the same mentality as me. I was thinking I'm the one learning after 16 years. Hussein, mashallah, drives so well. He's saying he's learning. You're saying you're learning. And that's where, we're all here to learn. And that's what, heightens everybody's presence.
Yes.
I am so glad that it's you guys who came.
The proper approach to it.
Yeah, absolutely. So, wonderful. Thank you, Hussein.
Thank you so much. Faraz.
And
Appreciate it.
your guidance today for Shadi.
Yeah.
Shadi did well, but
I
at
always love
times
to
needed
guide him.
some guidance.
Yeah.
And the way you guided him,
Yeah.
I really enjoyed hearing your voice over the radio. Very soft and always encouraging. Keep up the good work, Hussein.
Thank you.
I soon will be anticipating a drive from Hussein.
Inshallah.
So yeah, he's building up to it. Stay tuned and you'll see more.
Carnage.
So yeah, so stay tuned for the carnage. We'll bring it to you on this channel right here. Until next time, this is me, Raimdat, signing off.
Thank you.
See you.
See you. Bye.